to change your password on Twitter. Open the Twitter app or website. First, log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile picture or click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Next, go to the Account section, then choose Password. You'll be prompted to enter your current password. After that, type your new password and confirm it by typing it again. Make sure your new password meets Twitter's security requirements. Finally, click Save to confirm the changes. Your Twitter password has now been updated.